Hello everyone, welcome to Bit of Anatomy. In this tutorial, we will see histology of cartilage, which is a type of sclerous tissue, specialized connective tissue. So it consists of matrix, which contains ground substance and the fibers, and it contains main type of cells like chondroblasts and chondrocytes. The entire cartilage is covered by perichondrium, which is made up of an outer fibrous layer and an inner cellular layer or chondrogenic layer. The major function of perichondrium is to repair, protect, and form the cartilage. So if you see the classification of cartilage, the cartilage is classified basically into hyaline, elastic, and fibro, mainly depending upon the types of the fibers that are present. First, we will see the features of hyaline cartilage. So on both sides it is covered by perichondrium, which contains an outer fibrous and an inner cellular layer which consists of flat cells which helps in formation and repair and protects the cartilage. Inside that there are lacunae. The size of the lacunae increases as we move towards the center of the cartilage, and the smaller lacunae towards the perichondrium contains one cell. Towards the center, the lacunae contains 2 cells, 3 cells or 4 cells. So this appearance of 3 to 4 or more cells within one single lacunae, it is called as cell nest appearance. So surrounding the lacunae there is matrix, which is lightly stained with basophilic stain. So to brief up, there is lacunae which contains chondrocytes, cell nest appearance towards the center, a territorial matrix and interstitial matrix. This interstitial matrix contains proteoglycans and collagen fibers which are arranged in such a way that it appears glossy. So hyaline cartilage is seen in costal cartilage, trachea, the thyroid cartilage and other places. So coming to elastic cartilage, similar to the hyaline, it contains an outer perichondrium which consists of outer fibrous and an inner cellular layer. And it contains lacunae which are of almost same size from periphery to the center, and each lacunae contains only one cell, in contrast to the hyaline cartilage where we see cell nest appearance. And in between the cells, the matrix contains numerous elastic fibers which gives elasticity to this cartilage and hence named as elastic cartilage. So there is outer layer of perichondrium, lacunae with one cell and elastic fibers. So this is seen in ear pinna, in nose, some of the cartilages of the larynx. So last one is the fibrocartilage. It does not have perichondrium and it contains collagen fibers in numerous quantity. The collagen fibers are arranged in bundles. The bundles branch but the individual fibers do not branch. And in between the bundles of the collagen fibers there is lacunae. Each lacunae contains only single chondrocyte, and the specialty here is the chondrocytes within the lacunae, they are arranged in rows. So this fibrocartilage can be appreciated in the pubic symphysis, in the intervertebral disc. So these are the features of the cartilage. Do subscribe for future updates.